In this video, I'm going to talk about what are the best way to make money online and how you can make your first $100 a day online with $0 with YouTube. And that's without showing your face on camera, filming any videos, and without any upfront costs. Now, there's a misconception, and a lot of people think that if you want to get started with YouTube, you actually have to know how to make your own videos here and have to put up your own identity online. So this is not true, and I'm going to show you how. We're going to go to this section on YouTube called Creative Commons. So here on YouTube, I've just gone and typed in funny animal videos, and you can see here that all these videos are getting millions of views. 31 million views on this one, 4.6 million views on this one. But all these videos are copyrighted. So if you go and take any of these videos and re-upload them to YouTube, you'll get a copyright strike. So you don't want to do that. But if you click here on this filtered section, and click on Creative Commons, you can see that a whole bunch of copyright-free videos come up, and all these videos are free to use. So funny animal videos are a huge niche on YouTube, and you can see these ones still here are getting 11 million views, 9 million views. And so then what you can do with these videos is you can make a compilation, make a slideshow of these types of videos. You can use a free site called canva.com. And you won't get a copyright strike from YouTube. You won't get a copyright strike from the owner. And this is a great way to get started. So then what you can do is just do a search on Google for free online video editor to help you make these compilation videos. And that's, if you don't know how to make your own videos or you don't feel comfortable in putting your own identity online, then you can search literally anything. So let's do a search for fail compilations. Over to filter, click on Creative Commons, and you can see these videos getting 102,000 views, 283,000 views, 1.6 million. What you can do is you can put these in a free online editor. You can make them your own. You can put your own logo on these videos. So then what you want to do is you want to take these videos, you can use them for advertising on Facebook and pretty much anything you want. So what kind of videos and channels should you start if you're planning to upload videos like this? You should try to start a channel that's based on things like top 10 kind of videos, like Watch Mojo YouTube channel or all reaction channels. And you can literally put funny videos that always get millions of views. So these are all great ways to get started with. Now, this is not necessary, but if you would like an easier and even more professional way to create videos that literally does all the work for you, then I recommend a site called Vidnami.com. Now, here we are on Vidnami.com. And what this is a video site creator. You can use this for your business. You can use this to create videos online with your YouTube channel. If you have a website for creating videos, you can use to create through video ads, Facebook ads, or whatnot. And this is pretty easy. All you really need to do is it's a point and click video maker. There's no experience required. And as you can see here, they got tons of already pre-made templates that you can use. All you have to do is just pick the niche that you're in. It's got different ones that for influencer videos, course videos, Facebook ads, and so on. What it automatically does is creates these captions for you. Vidnami automatically transcribes your clips and effortlessly creates captions. Has intelligent clip selection. Vidnami uses artificial intelligence to read your text and automatically select video clips from their library of over 790,000 clips. No video editing necessary. Vidnami automatically combines your text, clips, voice track, and music. No video editing experience needed. You can make it your own by adding your own logos. You can choose different colors, select fonts, and insert your own clips, images, music to make your own videos unique. You can put in your own royalty-free music with over 30,000 free tracks through Storyblocks to choose from. And you always have the perfect sound for your videos. It's got some testimonials here. Now, if you are interested in trying this out, I've put a link in the video description, and this is my affiliate link. So just want to let you know that I will get a small commission if you decide to pick this up through me. I do appreciate it, as it does help to support me on this channel and to continue to put out great content. As you can see here, if you would like to try it out, you can get a completely free 14-day trial to just try this out. If you decide that you do like this and this is for you and you want to continue to use this, now after the 14-day trial, you can see here that it's going to be $47 monthly. And again, you can create your own unlimited videos, 790,000 plus story block video clips included, 125 billion plus royalty-free images, 30,000 plus premium music tracks, 170 plus stunning video templates, 30 plus popular fonts, auto-intelligent video clip selection, 14 automatic text-to-speech voices. If you don't want to use your own voice, that's helpful. Automatic sync of audio and visuals, full motion video backgrounds, landscape and square videos, customizable templates and branding, upload your own media, automatically bolds keywords, adds Ken burn effects, add transitions, and animates text. They do have an option here if you don't want to pay the monthly fee. You can pay the $397 annually, get a 30% off discount, and you're still going to get all the features that you do here. Nothing left out here. Right, so that's it. Thanks for watching my video on what are the best way to make money online. If you got value from this video and want more videos like this with other make money methods, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on my future videos. And comment below if you have any questions about this method or if you have taken action on this and if it's working for you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.